Alright guys, I just got done flying. I wanted to let you know the Helliway 913 again. It's getting ready to storm something ferocious up there. You see that? It's coming, it's coming. But anyway, I just got done flying this, and I noticed while I was flying it, the app looked like it was in English. And lo and behold, when I got done flying it, I put the menu in and it is in English now. So they've updated the app. So now for the iOS. So the iOS app is now in English instead of Chinese. So I got to hurry up and get going because it's getting ready to pour any second. But so now you know they updated the app for this, for the iPhone. So now it's in English. So no more vegetable. Okay, no more vegetable. All right, guys. I'm getting out of here before it starts pouring. I was going to fly the FEMI X8 for a little bit, but no dice because it's getting ready to rain. But anyway, yeah, it flew better. It's getting better. I did the Android yesterday. I didn't post the video yet, and the Android was just as bad. It crashed constantly, the app. The video didn't work. So that was no better. This is the best flight I've had with it so far. This is the best result that I've had, as long as the video works. I recorded 5 minutes of video. I'll put it in here. So at least they updated the app so you can read it. That's a plus. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day. I'm out here with the king of all turds, the Helliway 913 or whatever it is. This thing, I'm so tired of this damn thing. I keep trying though. What I did find out was that it won't let you record any video unless you have the app running. I did figure that out. So I'm gonna start the video now. I'm gonna disable the GPS so I can take off manually until it gets going here. I think I got the battery problem worked out. Yeah, I think the battery problem is worked out. I don't have my hat cam because it's getting ready to rain. So it has been flying for like 8 minutes now. So it's still only 5 satellites. There's some thunder going on. It was just raining here a little while ago. It seems to fly okay, decently. There are 6 satellites now. I don't think that it won't. I don't know if it'll lock with only 6. I think you have to have more than that. But I don't know how many of them you'll get through down here. First of all, I'm below sea level. Well, not below sea level, but I'm down in this valley for one thing. It always has trouble getting satellites over here. So the video's running for 1:50 so far. And this thing is a work in progress. Okay, I got 8, so I'm going to try to turn the GPS on now. See if that'll lock it in. Which I think it did. Pretty much so. Yeah, it does seem to fly So it goes into this green on the app whenever it goes into green on the app whenever you get enough satellites on it. I'll show it to you right there. On there it says it's in green. That way you know you got enough satellites. We're just hoping the video is going to work. Now I think one of the times when I flew this, I think the video didn't work because I forgot to stop the video and the video was corrupted. So I think that was my fault. But then a couple times it just was bad video. It just didn't record video. Which was the case with the Android flight that I had the other day. So it's still actually holding. The app hasn't crashed yet. Which is a good sign. So I'm going to cut this video now so it'll save it. Okay, so hopefully it saved that video. I'm hoping. I'm hoping beyond hope. Okay. I am hoping beyond hope that the video is saved. So we're just going to ride it out here and I'll put the flight time in. It's giving me a compass error. It says compass abnormal, please. And so now this app is now working in English. Before it would only work in Chinese. So and the telemetry's working now. So I wonder if they updated the apps or something. They must have updated this app. You know, because I have the automatic updates going on the app, so it might have updated while I was sleeping or something, you know. Yeah, it's pretty stable, so it seems to be, if the video works this time, so then I'm getting it little by little, okay? I'm getting it little by little. But you know this thing, it doesn't return to home. It doesn't return to home when the battery gets low. When the battery runs out, it just lands. So that's what we're gonna go for here. We got 13 satellites right now, and we're just gonna hold out here for it to land. Okay, it says battery low, limit flight range. So I'm gonna bring it down just in case it falls out of the sky instead of just landing, which we want it to just land. I figure if I charge and discharge this battery in enough times, it'll start working correctly. Okay, we'll start getting the flight time we're supposed to get. So far, I think I've gotten it up to 8 minutes or something. So I keep trying, man. I keep trying. Now I'm going to have to do another compass calibration on this, which I've already done, but it keeps telling me that I need to do another one. So even though it doesn't seem to be bothering it at all, but it might affect the return to home. If I needed to press the return to home, it might cause a problem. It might go somewhere else. So I think the next time I bring it out, I am going to do another compass calibration on it. So, but you know, I don't hit return to home hardly. I can't remember the last time I hit a return to home on a quadcopter, if I've ever done that. Okay, so now it's going to go into a return to home. Okay, so it's doing its own little return to home deal here. And before, it never did that. It just landed. So this one did do a return to home and land. And there it goes. Okay, so sometimes it does a return to home and sometimes it don't. So now we know that because the last video I did, it just landed. Well, the compass couldn't have been off too far because it landed. You know, it said I needed to do this compass calibration, but the drone knew where it was, because I took off right here and it landed like, right there where you saw it. So, at least it knew where it was. It didn't try to fly back to some other place I was flying yesterday, which was like 5 miles from here. So at least it didn't do that. So that's a plus. All right, guys, so there you go. I'll put the flight time in there. Yeah, it's getting better. Little by little, it's getting better. All right, guys, have a nice day.